a white dress and walking down the aisle. It's the dream of many women. But before the wedding, there is the big question. Will you marry me? That's where Perfect Proposal Jamaica comes in.
Many men don't necessarily know about event planning, and some of them lack that romantic touch and they need a little assistance. And so that's where I come in. You know, sometimes they want some ideas, they don't know how to decorate, and they may not even have the time.
Renisha James is the CEO. Once an event planner, she's found a niche where there's been a void.
So we have our very, very popular Pretty Marquees package, which includes our marquee letters that you're seeing here this evening. And the men, they love that one. That's the most popular package. We also have our Take My Heart package. We also have other packages that we offer, such as our picnic package. We have our helicopter proposal package, if you really want to make it luxurious.
The company, she says, manages an average of at least 15 proposals monthly.
I was pleasantly surprised, and I am very much satisfied with what I'm seeing here. I absolutely love it. I couldn't have asked for a better proposal.
But it has not always been smooth sailing.
The biggest challenge was when we just got started during COVID, because even though it was possible to execute proposals within the restrictions, there were a lot of people who would have liked for friends and family to be a part of their proposal. So getting that initial start at the beginning was a bit rough.
Just 4 years in, she began her journey to entrepreneurship with 200,000 Jamaican dollars.
The business has grown tremendously. I would say it has grown 100% since we started.
Perfect Proposal has received clients who have traveled from Germany to Jamaica. But its overall goal is to travel regionally and create unforgettable memories, one proposal at a time.
My long-term goal is to forge more partnerships with more of the hotels and tour companies across Jamaica and to expand to other Caribbean countries.
Miss James has one piece of advice for men deciding to propose to their significant other.
Understand your lady, make it special and unique, and you will have the perfect proposal, especially with Perfect Proposal planning it for you.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.